Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add posts on your Yalla app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Yalla app. So you just go up here, you will click here on this picture or your profile, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on this picture, then it's going to take you to next window, then you click here on your profile here, and or we will go back, sorry, you will click here on this picture here or your profile, then it's going to take you to your profile here, you just click here on moments, and it's going to take you to next window here, you click here on this, and it's going to take you here, and here you can add your so you add your status, and here you add picture, and you click here on post, and it's going to add your post on your Yalla app. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.